Wave Financial App Review. As for the overview before we start, Wave app is a free, cloud-based accounting software tailored for small businesses, freelancers, and contractors. It offers a range of features designed to simplify financial management. As for the key features, I found out that there are 4 key features in this app, that is invoicing, expense tracking, reporting, and payments. An invoice is to create and send professional invoices with customizable templates. The mobile app allows invoicing on the go. For the expense tracking, what it does is that it monitors income and expenses with options to connect bank and credit card accounts for automatic transaction imports. Note that automatic imports are available in the Pro plan. As for the reporting, it's supposed to generate financial reports to gain insights into your business's performance. And lastly, the payments, it accepts online payments through invoices with fees applicable for transactions. Going on the pros and cons. As for the pros, it is cost-effective, a user-friendly interface, and a mobile accessibility. As for the cons, it's kind of limited in advanced features, customer support, and a scalability. As for the users' feedback, users appreciate Wave's simplicity and effectiveness for small business operations. One user noted, Wave definitely saves me anywhere from 1 to 2 hours a week. The invoice tracking is excellent and the reporting for year-end is super helpful. However, some users have reported limitations in handling more complex accounting tasks and occasional issues with bank transaction imports. If we summarized it, Wave actually is a solid choice for small businesses, freelancers, and contractors seeking a free and user-friendly accounting solution. While it may lack some advanced features, its core functionalities are robust enough to meet the needs of many small enterprises. So I think that was enough about my review. Once again, I hope this helps you by any chance. Comment your opinion and experience about it. Please like and subscribe, but that was it then. See you again in the next video.